WR Guitar. In this video today I'm going to be teaching you a nice quick lesson on how to play the A minor pentatonic. So without further ado, I'm going to play it for you first. On the E string you're going to travel up to your 5th fret, that's the A. With our first finger then, we're going to pick down on the A, 5th fret. We're then going to use our little finger to travel to the 8th fret of the E. We're going to do an up pick, and that's your C. So on the first string then, we've got 5th fret, first finger, to 8th fret, little finger. 5th fret, first finger, 7th fret, third finger. We're going to repeat that pattern on the D string, the string below. 5th fret onto the first finger, 7th fret, third finger. So this is what we've got so far. 5th fret on the E, first finger, little finger up to the 8th fret, 5th fret on the A, first finger, 7th fret on the A, third finger, 5th fret on the D, first finger, 7th fret on the D, third finger. We're then going to go to the G string, 5th fret, first finger. We're then going to go to the 7th fret again with our third finger. Then travelling to the 5th fret of the B, first finger. Little finger, 8th fret of the B this time. And finishing on the 5th fret of the E, first finger. Thank you for watching. If you have enjoyed what you've seen today, then please subscribe to my channel, WR Guitar. Follow me on Instagram at WR Guitarist. And if you've got any questions, any suggestions, or any requests, then jot them in the comment box below.